Okay, so that's
Jessica finna
Okay.
wax my
Make
inside
sure
my nose.
that you get it real lubricated.
Well, it's so weird, Jessica.
Now, whenever it comes to doing the nose,
She better wax my nose.
you're literally going to just dip it.
Oh God, I'm scared.
Okay, and then spin. Remember how I told y'all to spin? And see how it's pretty much staying right there on the stick?
Mm-hmm.
If it's running, it's too hot. Just like that. And I start spinning.
And you keep the stick in there, so when you pull it out.
OMG. Oh my God.
I'm so scared.
Don't be scared.
Oh wow.
It feel like I'm sick or some shit. Like, you know how you put tissue up your nose?
Uh-huh.
Wait, you doing both of them? Oh my
Yes.
God, I can't talk.
You gotta breathe through your mouth. She come, I can't talk.
Jessica, you look, I love you.
I know. You're okay.
Jesus.
Okay. We're going to give that just a few minutes to dry.
So you put the baby oil just a little bit in there.
Any area that you're going to apply hard wax to,
You
you
have
want
to
to make
wax my
sure
nose.
that you oil it first.
I'm scared of you, man. I'm gonna do it. Show 'em brave.
That looks so funny. You look real scared, dude. You look real scared for this thing.
I was scared.
It's easy though. And the easiest way to know if it's dry, you're gonna tap it. Okay? And if you see if your stick gives you movement, it's not ready. And we've got wax all the way up there. So it's all the way up there on both sides.
Oh God.
You so silly, man. I can't help but laugh. Okay, sit straight for me. Not all crooked and weird. Sit straight.
Anyway.
Yep, just like that.
I can breathe. Oh my God. Dang. Let me see. I want to show these.
Okay, now once you blow your nose, don't suck up and breathe in. Just like that.
Ain't nothing in here.
So
I
y'all see
want to
that?
see.
Did you feel it?
That was cool.
I felt it, but it went bad. It was
Right.
like, I'm scared to breathe.
Okay.
And a lot of people do one at a time. I do both
Okay.
because
That's cool.
Let me see. Can I flip it? Can I put it on here?
so see, you're fine. You can do it.
You see right here. You see the hairs? Dang, I had some long ass hairs in there. That's probably why my nose was stopped up. Next, y'all going? It didn't hurt. I swear it didn't hurt. I thought it was gonna hurt. It didn't
I'm
hurt.
a scary cat with everything.
Just sit down.
Okay, I'm about to get off here. Like I'm done with waxing. Like I ain't waxing nothing else.